What I really like about this master program is that it focuses on small initiatives and bottom-up organizations, and it shows that you can make big changes with small actions.
We have been going through various societal challenges, social inequality, economic inequality, poverty, climate change. In this master's program, we do not only analyze them from a critical point of view, but we also propose how to tackle them through bottom-up engagements.
During my master's, I did my research here at the Open Embassy. We do evidence-based research for policies, so policymakers can actually use the research that we do to create better integration policies for newcomers in the Netherlands. I really like the work culture here. I really identify with the mission, and luckily it was a very mutual feeling. They were also happy to keep me, so now I have a job here.
Throughout the year, we prioritize this theory and practice integration. So one is the critical interdisciplinary orientation, and the second, bringing this theory into practice through partner organizations to contribute to ongoing social impact and social change efforts by getting their hands dirty.
My favorite part of the program is that we get to write our thesis within an organization. So we get to participate and look at how they make social impact.
We work with various organizations in different domains. Some work on social inclusion, some work on economic transformation, some work on sexual health and reproduction health. So it's also learning by doing.
One of the nice things about this program is that we get to choose our own skill courses. I've chosen a leadership course to get to know what my style of leadership would be like. So it's a nice way to get to know yourself better.
I very quickly became a project lead, and it's thanks to the support I had in my master's that I'm able to coordinate between all these different actors, different movements. Even if it takes time for research to get to policymakers and make the big change, just our approach already is shifting the dynamics in society and creating small-scale change that is rippling throughout.